How to move on-premises deployment to cloud? That means when you decided to move your software application to be deployed on cloud, what kind of precautions you are going to take care to start moving off your deployment or your application to a cloud. That means from on-premises to on cloud. Okay, so there are different steps we need to start here. The first one is assessment and planning. That means to move a premises deployment to the cloud, you need to follow some structured process involving, right, assessment, planning, right, and then you need to apply the migration strategy like data migration or application migration kind of stuff. When it comes to the first step, assessment and planning, right, so we basically look at the inventory, like conduct thorough inventory of your on-premises infrastructure, including like how many servers, right, and applications, databases, and network components you are having in on-premises, right, and then you analyze the data, and then you evaluate your application like cost and a matter of cost analysis, and also look for cloud provider selection, like you want to go with AWS or Azure. It's something like based on services or pricing you are going to think of it, right? So all these things comes under assessment and planning. Okay, and second thing is a migration strategy, right? That means you need to think of as a strategy you are adopting to migrate your data or application, or right, this thing like testing and optimization carefully on cloud. So it basically is something I can say lift and shift kind of approach. The simplest approach where you directly migrate existing applications to virtual machines in the cloud with minimal code changes. Okay, and next one is a data migration. That means you need to think of like data backup or data transfer method or data validation, right? When it comes to data transfer method, we have to choose the most efficient data transfer method based on the data volume, correct? And similarly, data validation. So you make sure that data validation, right, verify the data integrity after migration to ensure accuracy, right? And next one is application migration. That means this is going to thoroughly test the application and then thoroughly verify the deployment stuff in the application migration. And next one is security consideration. That means you must access the website, right? You must implement robust access control mechanism on the cloud platform to manage your applications with some permissions. And also you should encrypt the sensitive data, both both are at rest and in transit way. Okay.